Mommy. Damn.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Shuntavia, and I'm bringing you guys along with me today as I get ready and pack for my trip to Mexico. Here I'm showing you guys my luggage. This luggage was provided by Delta Airlines after they ruined my favorite luggage that I've ever bought. I do travel for work, so I am a frequent flyer, and actually one of my trips last year, I went to get my luggage, picked it up, and I realized my entire wheel was missing. So I had to put in a complaint, and I would say about 3 months later, I got this luggage in the mail. Yes, 3 months later. And on this clip, I am showing you guys my carry-on luggage. I recently got this luggage for my birthday. My grandmother provided me this. I am in love with this little bitty luggage. It's so compact, and it has so much space to be as small as it is. And as you see right there, it even has a lock. Okay, so one of the first things I always do whenever I'm getting ready for a trip, I write down every single outfit that I have planned for every day that I'm going to be gone. This really helps me make sure I don't forget anything, and it helps me actually pack thoroughly. So here you guys will see me lay out all my outfits by day, and you will see me put a sticky note on top of the outfits. This just helps me with packing my clothes day to day. Here you'll see miscellaneous items that I always pack: my sleeping clothes, towels, robe, etc. Yes, I do pack towels because hotel towels always break me out. I have very sensitive skin, so big towels and base towels are a key with me packing. So I did go and grab my breathing machine. I do travel with this everywhere I go. I do suffer with asthma, so it is important for me to have room to pack that. And as you guys see, I am rolling all of my items because if you roll your clothes, you can actually fit way more to your suitcase. So here I'm showing you guys, if you do have bigger items or flowy items, on how to actually get those to roll up and fit tightly into your suitcase. When I have things like that, I like to put it at the end of the suitcase just to make sure it's kind of forced down. And here you'll see me do the same thing with this red and white rubber as well. wires in it, so I can't really roll that up. So you'll just see me fold it and lay it on top of everything that I have rolled up. So I'm basically done with that side of the luggage. As you can see, I still have a lot of space, and I packed almost everything inside of my luggage already. So now I'm packing all of my shoes into the left side of my luggage. I do like to pack my shoes like they come in a shoebox, opposite ends of each other. This has really helped me. For some reason, whenever I do go on vacation or whenever I'm traveling, all of my shoes reach the end of my luggage, so it always works out for me, weirdly. As you can see, I am forcing the shoes to kind of stick together, kind of like a spring effect, I would say. So as you can see there, I did move my shoes over just so they could be held in by that little, I don't even know what that's called, protector thing that's provided by the luggage. And I did move over back to the right side because I realized I did have a couple items that I didn't want to actually put in my carry-on because I do not want my carry-on to be bulky, so I just added those items there. And that's all my items. That is my towel robe that I put on after I get out of the shower, and then also some bathing suit cover-ups. Now moving on to my makeup bag. As you guys can see, I do keep makeup in this bag because I do travel for work. So what I'm going to do now is just take everything out of the bag because there may be trash in there and just start over fresh. Travel, I do not like to take a lot of things. I take very minimal makeup just because most of the time on vacation I don't have hours to actually devote to doing my makeup, or I don't want to devote hours to doing my makeup. I want to relax or go have fun. So I try to keep everything at a minimum, and also before I go on a trip, I will pre-plan my makeup look just so I know exactly what to bring, because my makeup collection is pretty large and I will get overwhelmed with what to bring. So once I have everything out of my makeup bag, I'll just put everything back in. As you can see, it looks very neat now, and I'll close it up. Okay, so the same thing holds true to my jewelry bag. I do not take a lot of jewelry with me. I'm not a jewelry person in the first place. So I just take a couple different jewelry items and I throw them into my jewelry bag. Okay, so I put my makeup bag and my jewelry bag on the opposite end of my shoes. I like to do this so it's kind of compressed. So even when, the luggage workers are being very rough with your luggage and slinging it everywhere, your makeup and your shoes pretty much stay in place. Moving on to my toiletry bag. I absolutely love this toiletry bag. I got it from Amazon about 2 years ago, and as you can see, it's still holding up for me. I can fit very large items into this bag. I amaze myself sometimes how much I can actually fit into this bag, but it works out for me. I don't want a new one, and if this ever breaks on me, I promise you I will order the exact same item again from Amazon. of myself. Every time I do it, I'm proud of myself. Gosh, but now you will see me actually skip over into putting my toiletry bag in my luggage. Like I said, everything pretty much fits compressed inside of there. And now you'll see me actually put my loofah inside a Ziploc bag. I like to do this because, I mean, I am going to bathe with it. I don't want it touching everything inside of my luggage. Then I'll actually put out my other Ziploc bag just full of miscellaneous items like my pads, tampons, honey. Don't ask me why I travel with honey because I don't know. But I'll put my lotion in there too just in case it spills out, and I'll just sit it on top of my shoes. And then at that point, I can close that side of my luggage because it's all full. And as you can see, I do have a lot of space left. I like to keep space in my luggage, especially when I'm going on vacations, just in case I want to bring anything back. This gives me ample room to bring items back, and I don't feel like I can't really shop and enjoy myself while I'm on vacation because I don't have room to bring anything back home. Trust me, I've been in that situation. Okay, so now we're getting into my carry-on luggage. As you guys can see, I do put all of my swimsuits into my carry-on luggage just because swimsuits are pretty light, and I can also stack things on top of those. So every swimsuit that I plan on wearing in Mexico is in my carry-on luggage. And I also like to put a pair of shoes, a pair of underwear, a pair of sleeping clothes, and an outfit in my carry-on just in case something happens with my luggage. Okay, there you guys have it, my completed pack with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to please comment, like, and subscribe.